In this section, we're going to discuss about subsets. Okay, you have a set, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From this set, we would like to find out subset. Subset means, let's say B is 1, 2, 3. B is a subset of A. Okay, so there are two different types of subset which we use. We use these two notation to denote the subsets. One is just called subset, and another one is called proper subset. This equality sign means A is a set, A is a subset of itself. That's the reason there is an equality sign. A means any set is a subset of itself. So that's why there is equality sign. So from the previous example, we have a set, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a set, let's say B 1, 2, 3. Then B is a proper subset of A because the number of elements in B is less than the number of elements in A, and it's called subset because all the elements in B are also in the elements of A. So what is a subset? Set A is a subset of set B and expressed as this way: if every element in set A is also the elements in set B. That is the definition. And set A is not the subset of B if one or more than one elements of A is not the part of the B. For example, let's say A is 1, 2, 3 and B is 2, 3, 4, 5. Then because 1 is not inside B, A is not subset of B because 1 is not part of B. Every set is a subset of itself. Proper means A is a proper subset of set B if set A is a subset of set B and sets A and B are not equal. For any set, the set itself and then empty sets, they are subset of the set. For any set B other than the empty sets is proper subset of B. Okay, empty set has a 0 element, no element at all, and you just have one subset of empty sets. There is nothing else possible. Let's say you have a set with the one element, then number of elements is 1. There are two subsets you can create, empty and then set itself. So there are two subsets. Let's say there are 2 elements, then you can create 4 subsets. Let's say there are 3 elements, then you can create 8. So if you keep going like that, the next time it will be double. So if you have n number of elements, then the total subset possible is the number of set with n element is 2 to the power n. That is the number of subsets possible. If you are just talking about the proper, because set itself is the subset, you have to subtract 1 from that many proper subset you are going to get. So to make things easier, let's say A has a 3 elements, 1, 2, 3. Then there will be total 2 to the power 3, 8 subset. And if you are talking about the proper subset, then there will be 7 proper subsets we can create from 1 to 3. Okay, like instead of 1, 2, 3, let's say A, B, C, and these are the elements. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3 separately, and empty sets. Okay, let's assume that this is a natural number. Natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4, keep going, infinite. Then it has 2 to the power of that natural subset and 2 to the power of that minus 1 proper subset. This number is greater than this one. Okay, so let's assume that this one is n1, then n1 is greater than n0. Keep in mind n0 is infinite. but this is the least infinite or smallest infinite number compared to other infinite numbers. This is just for the information purpose, okay? Let's look at some examples. Fill in the blank so that the resulting statement is true. Set A is subset of set B, and we express as subset. It's not proper, so subset. Set A is a subset of B, and we express this as this one, that every element in set A is also in set B. This is the definition. Write subset or not subset. 579, check if all of them are here or not. 579, yes, so it's a subset. Sunday, Thursday, Sunday, and there is no Thursday, it's not the subset. Five, 7, 9, 11, 13, and there is a 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13, so they are equal. So it's supposed to be subset, only subset. It's not proper subset because they're equal. Okay, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13. 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13. Empty set is the subset of any set, right? Determine whether this or this. It's a proper subset. Empty set is the proper subset of this one. So equality is not needed. Okay, what happened? Let me just look at this. It is the proper, and you can also say it's a subset. So both. So it's a both actually. I missed that part. Sorry about that. Empty set is the proper, and then it is also the subset. So it's a both. Determine whether the following statement is true. Empty set belongs to, is this one of the element here? The statement is false because the symbol means is an element of, and then this is not an element of the set. This is just the notation for set itself, empty set. This is the notation for empty set. They are saying that empty set is the part of this set, but that's not the case. That's the notation for the set, and these are the elements. For the given set, first calculate the number of subset for the set. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number of subset would be, according to the formula, 2 to the power 4, which is 16. And then you have to subtract 1 from that number to get the proper subset, which is 15. What is the difference between a subset and proper subset? A subset can be empty set, while the proper subset cannot be. No, a proper subset can be the set itself. A subset can be the set itself, while the proper subset cannot be. That's the difference. Okay, that's all for this section.